Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha starter tea. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: black or green tea, sugar, and a healthy SCOBY. It's crucial to ensure all your brewing equipment is thoroughly cleaned and sanitized before you begin. This prevents unwanted bacteria from affecting your brew. Next, we'll prepare the sweet tea base that will feed your SCOBY and kickstart the fermentation process for a delicious batch of kombucha. Now let's brew the sweet tea. Bring about 4 cups of water to a boil, then add 6 to 8 tea bags, allowing them to steep for 10 minutes. After steeping, remove the tea bags and stir in 1 cup of granulated sugar until it's fully dissolved. To cool the mixture down quickly, add 8 cups of cold, filtered water. This step is important to bring the tea to a safe temperature for your SCOBY. With your sweet tea cooled, it's time to combine everything. Carefully pour the tea into a clean, gallon-sized glass jar. Next, gently place your SCOBY into the jar, followed by 2 cups of mature kombucha starter liquid. This starter liquid lowers the pH and protects your brew. Finally, cover the jar with a breathable cloth, like a coffee filter or cheesecloth, and secure it with a rubber band. This allows airflow while keeping pests out. Allow your kombucha to ferment at room temperature, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 7 to 14 days. The fermentation time can vary, so taste test periodically until it reaches your preferred level of tartness. Once it's ready, you can bottle it for a second fermentation or enjoy it as is. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Happy brewing, and enjoy your homemade kombucha.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.